we're talking about the legal division. And so the main responsibilities, I guess, would be to provide legal assistance to the department, to the commissioner, to the deputies, to the staff as they may need it. It's kind of made up of different parts now because the government relations section is also within the legal division, and so she's not a lawyer, but she goes to the legislature and the Congress and other parties to help us get legislation passed. But the lawyers draft that legislation, or we participate in drafting it. So generally speaking, we provide legal advice to the commissioner, and whether that be legislation or litigation. Usually it's just simply questions that may come up from time to time with various things going on with the other divisions. I would say we try to make sure that whatever the department does is done according to the law. And so sometimes that means we don't have to be involved, that the staff has already been trained, they know what they're supposed to do, and so they just take care of business. And then when new things come up, or when at a certain point in a transaction, for instance, if an agent has broken the law, then perhaps that case would then be turned over to the legal division to see if we need to take action against an agent or maybe a company for violating some law. How that protects consumers is we're trying to make sure that everybody complies with the various laws and rules that are in place. The legislature passes the laws and the commissioner passes the rules, the regulations, and they're all designed to protect consumers. We want to make sure that when somebody pays their hard-earned money for insurance, that they get the bargain, they get what they paid for. And so sometimes with car insurance, that's just within the next 6 months maybe, but with life insurance, it may be many years. And so the company maybe has no interaction with the consumer for a long time. And so we're trying to make sure that they remain viable, and various people in the insurance department are involved in doing that. And from time to time, they have to come to a lawyer to help enforce a particular thing, or to ask a question about a particular aspect of what they're doing. So a typical day might be approving leave, just like any other manager. It might involve 2 or 3 meetings with the commissioner and or deputy commissioners, staff, interns. It could be a meeting with interested parties, could be with legislators seeking to get some sort of bill passed or stop a bill from being passed or whatever. And it seems like some days it's all meetings, and then some days, you're just reviewing forms and signing forms. Every once in a while we get calls from the consumers from the outside. Frankly, those mostly go upstairs, and those people handle them. But occasionally we get to talk to real people. So I don't know that there is a typical day so much. But there are times when we have to go to meetings, go to the legislature, go to other agencies to meet with people. So those are kind of the things that we do on any given day. I like the people here. For the most part, the people, I think hopefully y'all have found this to be true, that the people at the insurance department really care about what they're doing, and they want to do a good job. They want to help people who really can't help themselves. Insurance is a complicated document. It's a complicated concept, frankly. We all need it. We all have to have it, but very few actually understand it. and we're pretty much at the um, somebody else is in control almost every time, and we're at their mercy. And so it's nice to know that there's somebody you can go to with the government who's got no interest in it other than helping people, that can help you. They can help your parents, just a random citizen, whoever needs it, because we all need insurance. We all got to have insurances, and so it's kind of fun working with somebody, with a group of people who feel that way.